No. Mama Chukwudi. Mama Chukwudi.
See this man. What give me the right to disturb my sleep?
Mama Chukwudi, wait. No be that one I wan talk. I keep money and something for here. I no see money. Now even the something sef, I no understand.
Yeah, Papa Chukwudi. I just say you don't get money. Which money you talk about? Oh, so you get money. And you tell me say you don't get money.
Leave the money aspect. The powder wey I keep here.
Powder? Which powder? Man, I don't know what they talk about.
Test this thing first.
Make I test waiting. I know what
I
to
keep
do that.
powder here while I use. If I rub am for my face.
You test powder, no be the powder be that. Then they test powder when you give me test this thing first. Man, I don't know what they worry this man. Don't disturb my sleep, oh. Don't disturb my sleep.
Oginidi. I go marry dragon.
You make noise for this place, I beg. Make I come from this house. Money. Which money? The same came with me. Powder. Where they off on face, make I test that. Yeah, I beg, oh.
Oh no, Apamina. Take care. I talk am. Hey,
And if God does me go carry am, your life don't spoil this man. Your life don't spoil. Come carry this thing.